Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I'm going to be unboxing a product that I wanted to take out of the box for a while. I just have not had a chance to get around to it with all of the other tech toys that I bought, but I am actually headed out on a flight to Florida a little bit later today, and I thought this would be the perfect toy for myself to have on the plane. So this is the firehd 8. The 8 indicates 8 inches diagonal with you-know-who built in. So this is my first tablet ever that I bought. I went with the 32 gigabyte version, hoping that that would be enough to cover my apps and so forth. And this was super cheap. I got a great deal on Black Friday. So yeah, so I'm very excited to take this out of the box for you. Just real quick, so packaging, nice. Amazon always does a nice job with their packaging, and just a few quick benefits of the tablet on the back. So it's got a fast and responsive HD display at 1280 by 800 resolution, and a powerful quad-core processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM. So this thing should be pretty zippy, even for the entry-level version. And then, so designed for entertainment, of course. Pretty much anything that you download to your phone, you can put on this device as well. And what I really like is the ALEXA built in. I was thinking I might actually take an Echo Dot with me on my mini vacation that I'm going on, just so I can have it in the hotel, but maybe the tablet will be enough with you-know-who. So, and watch this and read and play. So this obviously makes a nice little book reader as well. And you can just ask you-know-who, whatever you like. So, weather, news, sports, stocks, everything that you get with ALEXA, you get on this tablet, which I absolutely love. And I believe you can also ask her to, open your apps for you and so forth, which you can get that on your smartphone. You can actually get her on your smartphone as well. I'll do a separate video on that topic for another day, but yeah, it's cool being able to launch different apps with you-know-who as opposed to my friend Siri. And then great for the whole family. Yeah, so anyhow, so enough of the marketing ease. Let's get this out of the box for you. And so a little tap across the top, and then Amazon generally has this little plasticky thing, so I'm just going to take my Epic unboxing knife here and whoop, go right across the plastic without slicing my hand off. There we go, Tim. And we'll set this knife aside for now, and then tabby thing opens on the box. And yeah, I think this is going to be very, very simple unboxing, but so let's just take the tablet out. And so I'm expecting, in terms of what's in the box, so we've got, yeah, it tells me right here. So the tablet, the power adapter, and the USB charging cable, and the battery is actually built into the thing, which is, obviously just like your smartphone. So, oh yeah, no, I love the size of it. So cool. So this is something that last few products that I've unboxed, and it's been sort of a mixed bag, but I absolutely love the look and feel of this thing. I love that I have large hands, but I love that I can hold it in one hand, so that I can, use my other hand to navigate. And let's see if it won't boot up. Maybe we need to charge it. The way Amazon's been doing things lately, I wonder if we can get it up. Oh, looks like maybe power. I'm guessing that button on is the power button. Hey, there we go. So I guess right on the power button. And so, yeah, so it's booting up. And again, love the size of it. This is going to be fun to play with on the plane for sure. If you don't have a tablet, honestly, I'm not an expert, so I can't really recommend one, but I'm loving this already. So there's that. And just to get right back to the rest of the box contents here, here's our charging cable, USB charging cable, and then there's the adapter, standard USB, which I love. And then our documentation, which is, we have very minimal documentation here. What's in the box, yada, 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 getting started, charging your tablet. Okay, so fair enough. And it's barking at me down there. I'm dying to get this set up and installed. And why don't I walk you through, if this gets to be too tedious or we need to enter proprietary things and so forth, I won't bore you with the entire bit, but why don't we just see if we can't get this thing going. So I'm going to choose English, and then next, registering my account. Now I wonder if Amazon's smart enough to know that I have a million other devices Oh, my device has been connected. Yeah, there we go. So it's on my network. So that is the name of my network. So it already found it, ready for setup. Too cool. I don't even need to pick my network. So we're going to hit continue. Just a sec. Okay, we have a sec. That's a long sec, guys. There we go. Enable location services, auto save photos and videos. There's Amazon Cloud Drive, that's fine. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. That's fine too. You know, this is going to depend on your personal preferences. I tend to err on the side of maybe being a little too generous with my privacy information, but I'm going to click continue. And then meet your new Fire tablet. How easy is that to set up? Isn't that cool? And then so we have a little intro video, which I'll start. And then it looks like this goes on for a minute or so. So I'm gonna pause here and just, yeah, I hope you also, oh, well, here, let's.
Try asking Alexa to play music or movies, make calls, check the news or your commute.
How cool.
And more. Just say Alexa to get your tablet's
Well,
attention.
I don't like that she's saying that, though. Hopefully she's not setting your devices off. This is not setting my devices off here, which is nice.
You'll see lots of clouds with a high
So,
40
okay. I wonder if I can come back to that.
and a low of 39 degrees. And find what you want to
Yeah,
watch.
let's fast forward.
Over 2 million songs, curated content.
Hopefully I can play that again later. There we go. Make this kid friendly. Not now. I just want to get to the main screens for you guys so you can see what it looks like with all of the apps. And then screen lock. I do not want a screen lock. Not now. I hate that. Goodreads, get ready to fight with Goodreads. We don't want that. Not now. So it's a little bit of advertising stuff-ish. Audible, more advertising. Okay, Amazon, enough is enough. And now Kindle Unlimited. No thanks. I guess while they have you, they try and get your attention. Makes sense that they would try and sell you on book memberships and so forth, which I'm really not interested in right now. And then so we have, so what immediately presents you with some free apps and games. So for me, I would download Disney Plus, Netflix, Pinterest, and yeah, maybe even Solitaire. I'm not sure what Homescapes does with a picture of the toilet squirting water, but so we're going to say not now here as well. But that's a nice little preview in terms of the different apps that you can get. And then here we go. So now it's going to give us another little tutorial and functionality of your new Fire tablet. So we're going to say continue. And yeah, so that's what the home screen looks like. And I think I'll stop here because I do want to do the tutorial on my own. But for now, I just wanted to show you the unboxing of the Fire Fire HD 8 tablet with She Who Shall Not Be Named. And it's so cool. I'm pumped to start using this and to take it with me on my trip later. Hopefully you got some value from this, and at least it you know, if nothing else, you were able to see what this guy looks like out of the box. Anyhow, if you got some value from this video, if you wouldn't mind, just give me a quick thumbs up. Helps out my channel a lot, and consider subscribing. I do all sorts of unboxings for devices just like this, and for smart home tips and helpful advice for She Who Shall Not Be Named. Anyhow, that's all from here for now. We'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.